So as it was displayed shown on the screen to you, I'll walk you through step by step how you can design this kind of a logo and how you can present it on a mock-up. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So I need to go and import the shape I want to use. So once you import this, increase the size. Okay, then position it to the center. Now go to the shape, bring a circle shape, crop it. Okay, it might not place automatically, but you manually adjust it. Okay, so manually adjust by justify in your placement. So you look at it very well. This is justifiable. So what I mean by justified is the white circle that I place must not move to left too much or right too much. Okay, so now merge it. So after you merge it, the next thing you are going to do is to go to erase color and erase it. So after you erase it, go to the shape, to the color, change the color to your taste. So let's say I change the color to something of this. Okay, perfect. So after you change it to this, then the next thing is to bring crop a shape as usual, position it at the center, reduce the size very well, then you manually place it. Excuse. So you're going to manually place it. So reduce the size very well. Then make sure that you are justified. Once you're able to do that, you change the color. Okay, go to the color, change the color to your taste. Or use your color picker to pick the color of your choice. So take it for instance, I want to use this color. So I'll go to and put to letter S because it's a sunken company. So now increase the size. Sorry, let me show you the font I use. So I use font called Basker Vi BASKER VILLE. So I use a Basker file bold font. So when you select that, position it here, position it. Now use your relative position. So once you position it properly here, we're going to merge it together. Then use your erase color to erase it. Now cool. So what do we need to do next? We need to go and bring star. So crop the style just as I'm going to show you like this. We're going to position one here. Okay. So once you position one here, you copy, then bring it and position another one here. So now we're going to copy one and increase the size bigger, then position it here. So now what we're going to do next is to merge the first two, merge it together. After merging, you copy. So once you copy it, you are going to rotate it. Okay. So position it like this. But just make sure that you rotate it. Okay, perfect. So another thing we can do is to reduce the size. Then reduce the size of this. So you reposition it very well. So now we increase this a bit. Let's increase this a bit. Adjust this a bit. So cool, we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is to give all these their own color. So I'm going to give it a gray ash color. Okay, give it in an ash color. So after that, we put in the company logo. Company name. That is Sonky Limited. Okay, so write it together because I'm going to space them. So Sonky Limited. So go to the font. Then let's try this font that I use for this. The basket. Bold it. Then the next thing we do is to cuff it. We're going to cuff. Going to cuff it inward. But before you cuff, I think we should first of all let there be more space. Then apply little stroke. Stroke. So let it be the ash color as well. Something like 7. Now go to the main color. Change it to ash. Reduce this to something like 3 or 4. So now space it very well. Cuff it. Cuff it and reposition it, and let's say position. Reduce the spacing between the alphabet. Perfect. So we just adjust with rotation. Perfect. The curve, release it in one click, another click, reduce it so that the text can lay properly. Okay, go to rotation, adjust. This is cool. So we see Sonky Limited. So what do we need to do next? We need to just merge everything together. Make them together. So now position it here. Transparent background and have it save. You can put background for this, okay, as a kind of a 2D. So I got this. So after you save, heading back to your Chrome browser, type www.photopea.com. Tap open from computer, click on medium picker, accessing your mockup. So I'm using this 3D mockup, 3D glass mockup. So when you tap on it and it's not responding, just wait, it will load like this. After it's displayed, go to layer, double click your logo here, hide everything, hide it by tapping them. Now go to file, open and place, click on medium pick. Now go to your gallery and bring the design, the logo we just created. After you import it, increase it to fit properly. Okay, perfect. Now click on file and click on save with smart objects. You will see something display like smart object updated. You can see, tap here. Now in no time you can see the results, right? So I'm looking at this left side, it's too darker. You can see why the right is brighter. So I want to reduce it, the darker part. I'll go to layer. This is the light where you see something like a black. What do you need to do? You are going to tap on it. When you tap on it, you go to the fill at the top here where my cursor is blinking. Tap it and type 60. Tap layer again. You can see it has released it. Now I want the color to come out a little bit better than this. I will go to effect. I will go to effect. Tap the effect. I will go to the number. I will tap 60 or let's say 70. So let me see. You see it came out brighter than before. Cool. Now go to the file, go to export and tap on PNG. Click on saved. And boom, we are done. So let's preview it so you can see. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Share to your friends or loved one who is having a problem with Photopea. These are steps on how you can transform your logo to 3D, and don't forget to comment on your way out. Thanks for watching.